Hello, today we are talking about HTML and CSS. If you are interested in web design, then subscribe to our channel for the next videos. Open the browser first and search and download Sublime Text there. You do not need to pay. This program is completely free. Now we install the program. Now we will download and install the Chrome browser. If you have the Chrome browser installed, then you do not need to install it. Your Windows browser will open a browser called Microsoft Edge and type in search bar Get Chrome Browser. We create a folder and move our files inside it. We create 4 folders, one called IMG, in which we put the images. Create another folder called CSS for CSS files. Later we create a folder called Font in which we put all the fonts. And we create a folder called JS in which we put the JavaScript files. Now we create a TXT file called index and convert its extension from TXT to HTML. We run the Sublime Text program. Now the new version of Sublime Text comes. Download and install the new version. One of the advantages of this program, I mean Sublime Text, is that it has an automatic shape. For example, if we write a tag, it completes automatically. Now open the HTML file we created. Type HTML here and press enter. In the tag title field, type the name of your website. And here we type a sentence experimentally, for example, welcome to my page. Press Ctrl+S to save. And then I will open the same index.html file in our browser. And as a result, the page is created like this.